Hello, my name's Andreas, and welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. In my masterclass, don't forget about the context, saving your students from pragmatic failure. We'll be speaking about how words take on new meanings in different situations. Context, meaning the circumstance and the conditions present at the time of speaking, is as integral to language as language is to context. This is no secret, nor is it rocket science. But for many of us language learners, or for many language learners, it might just as well be. Perhaps similar to the parents of a fledgling giving it a helpful shove off a cliff in the hope that instinct will tell it to flap its wings, we release our own fledglings from the classroom into the English-speaking world when it's already too late to yell, "Don't forget about the context." I really hope to see you in my masterclass. I look forward to sharing lots of things with you.